What up mga ka-2K, this is Nick's Hustle TV. Ngayon ay i-release na natin ang version 25. So, umpisa na natin ang version 25, ating gameplay. And then, ito po is gagamitin natin ang version 26 para sa ating gameplay or sa ating password. Panoorin po natin na maigi at para makita natin ng password. So, pakisupport po ang ating channel at ang ating video at panoorin po na maigi, wag po tayo mag-i-skip. So, umpisa na po. So, yun yung bagong intro ng ating version 26. Ayan na. So, andito na tayo sa ating home screen ng ating NBA 2K20. So, maglo-load tayo ng roster. So, itong gamit natin is version 26 na. So, para po ito sa password at hindi po ako maglalagay sa description ng password na text. So, kailangan natin panoorin na maigi ang ating video para sa password. Kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, click mo lang ang button ng like and subscribe para updated ka sa anuman news ng ating ilalabas at bagong bod. So, ayan. Umpisa na tayo. So, take note, no? Kompletuhin natin ang video. Huwag po tayo mag-i-skip para makatulong na rin tayo sa ating modder. So, ayan. Mga ka-2K, para panoorin po natin ang video ng ayos. Yan po is version 26. Enhance ang HD port at HD player in-game. Ayan, umpisa na po. So, okay, mag-i-skip para mapanood natin password, no?
They set the screen from 11 feet away. And there's the foul. It's on Jason Thompson. That's his first foul.
So, ayan, kitang-kita naman po natin ang bagong jersey ng Utah Jazz.
MB.
So, mas gumanda ang ating commentator no para sa dati.
Conley with it.
Bola.
Well, that was a quick foul for him there. The refs are certainly calling it close.
And he's knocked off course by the D. The foul call. He'll shoot free throws.
And let's not leave out another branding mark of his. His
So,
status
accurate yan ng height
when
at
big
weight.
shots needed to win the ball game, everybody in the building knows he's going to take it. Doesn't make any difference, though.
So, hindi na yan naka-small player katulad na parang normal small player. So, ito parang ano na siya, hindi na pantay-pantay yung height niya. Baga
There's a
parang
screen.
realistic na. Kasi meron dati na
MB.
70, parang 6'10", tapos
To the line.
6'7", gano'n. So, parang pantay-pantay lang yung height niya, hindi na.
It's his first trip to the line. The first free throw
So,
is
itong
good.
video na to is para sa version 25. So, nire-release na natin ito ngayon. Panoorin lang po natin maigi ang ating video para sa password.
On defense, the
Guys, kung bago ka
76ers.
sa aking YouTube
It's a
channel,
three-point game.
click mo lang and like and subscribe ang ating video at ang ating channel para updated ka sa mga more na ating ilalabas.
Markkanen. And there's the foul. It's on Jason Thompson. That'll be his second foul of the game.
And that's 2 fouls for him very early in this ball game. He'll probably have to spend some time on the bench
So, kung
before
gusto niyo
halftime.
manood ng gameplay or ating match, pumunta lang kayo kay Nick's World Official para sa kanyang
And just
darating
over a
na
minute play here
bagong
at the start of the game.
match ng kanyang
Mr.
NBA.
Harden from downtown. Rebounded by the Jazz.
Ayan, no?
Outside Conley.
So, ang ating gamit na cellphone is Infinix Hot 11S NFC
And here are the 76ers now.
Helio
And the whistle
G88.
blows. It's going to be a
So,
hell of a
gaming
foul.
processor na siya.
That is his first
Kaya
foul of
maganda
the
siya
game.
laro. Parang iOS ang kanya. Features ng game.
And here in the first, closing in on 2 minutes play. Harden. He goes up strong with one hand and flushes it down.
So hanggang dito na lamang po at pinuputol na natin ng ating video. Sana napanood niyo po ng maayos at kung totoo po
Philadelphia on deep.
yung
Conley left side.
password.
Markkanen.
Uulit ko sa mga bago pa lang.
Between the eyes.
Click nyo lang
Great
ang like and
opportunity right there.
subscribe sa
He's got
ating
such
YouTube channel
tremendous
para
length. He
updated
can
sa
just
ating
rise up
bagong
and get
mod.
separation.
Hanggang dito na lamang. Maraming salamat mga ka-2K. Maraming salamat po.